Hello friends, I am Sanjay Patil and you are watching my YouTube channel Logical Developer. Today we will see how to configure your Gmail account into any version of Outlook Express. So let us see this tutorial step by step. First you need to open your Google account, then click on security button, then find less secure app access, then turn it on. By default it is off. Then open your Gmail account and find settings button. Major difference between POP3 and IMAP is POP3 only allow a single device at a time to access emails, while IMAP allow multiple devices at a time to access and read the available mails. Now click on settings button, then click on see all settings button, then select forwarding and POP3 IMAP menu, then enable POP3, then enable IMAP, then click on save changes. Now you are ready to configure this account into Outlook Express. So you need to open Outlook Express. These settings are applicable to all versions of Outlook Express. So you need to open your Outlook to configure your Gmail account. Click on Tools menu, then click on Account Settings, then click on New button, then check manually, then Next, then click on Next, then type here your name, first name, last name, then type here your complete Gmail address, then type POP3 server address and SMTP server address, pop3.pop.gmail.com for outgoing, smtp.gmail.com. Then type here your complete Gmail address and insert your password, Gmail password. Then click on more settings, then click on outgoing server, check my outgoing server, then click on advanced button, then insert port number for POP3 995, then select SSL, then insert port number 465 for your SMTP, then select SSL for security layer, then click on checkbox, then press OK button, then press next, then finish, then OK. Now your Gmail account is configured into Outlook Express. Click on send and receive button. Now all mails from Gmail account will get downloaded into this Outlook account. All mails are stored into PST file which is located on your local hard disk. Thanks for watching this video.
If you like our video, then press like button, then subscribe our channel and press bell icon to watch new videos.